Main: militarism, alliance system, imperialism, nationalism. Dates: 1914 to 1918, World War I. The 11th of November 1918, end of World War I. 1917, Russia reforms. Central Powers members: Austria-Hungary, Germany, and the Ottoman Empire. Allied Powers members: France, America, Britain, Russia, Italy, Canada, Serbia. World War I weapons: machine guns, flamethrowers, chlorine gas, grenade launchers, tanks, submarines, airplanes, long-range artillery, rifles, hand grenades, artillery barrages, dreadnoughts. Representatives: USA, President Woodrow Wilson. GBR, David Lloyd George. FRA, Georges Clemenceau. ITA, Vittorio Orlando.